Good morning. This is the chapter Analytical Conics for class 12 BSc. Those who will appear IIT. I have taken from AIEEE, CBSE book, CATS book, etc. Here one thing I want to share. Our Guruji, when in Calcutta, spending a miraculous commodity in His Holiness Jagadguru Shankaracharya of the Govardhan Peeth Puri, yet Sri Shankaracharya denied any spiritual miraculous power, given the credit of the revolutionary knowledge to Annas, ancient, who is 16 sutra and 120 words, laid down simple formulae for all the world's mathematical problem. This conic section is very tough and here described by our Guruji, but it takes at least 3 months to understand me. Now I have applied in our institute. Class 7 class student can do it easily, although it is higher mathematics. Just see this example is equal to 0. It is example given the hyperbola. Hyperbola means I took S, it is given, this math is given, and we have to find out asymptotes. Asymptotes I take S plus K, and conjugate hyperbola I take x plus 2k. And now what to do? At first we have to factorize this. You can do by middle term factor or by the factorized sutra. And orally you can do this into this. This is the factorize of this. But I have written up and down like the previous video, and this into this up to this, but we have to make this by error and trial method, that 8x plus 14y we have to correct up to this. Forget about this one may be same or may be different, but we have to correct up to this, so that by error and trial method here we take plus 4 and plus 2. Suppose 4 into x is equal to 4x, 2 into 2 4, 4x plus 4x 8x, so that 4 is correct, and 2 into y is equal to 2y, and 4 into 3 12y, 12y plus 2y is equal to 14y, so that the plus 4 and plus 2 is correct. Now you multiply this, 4 into 2 is equal to plus 8. This plus 8 is our s plus k. This is only s, that is hyperbola, and s plus k is equal to asymptotes. Now the equation to the asymptote is this one, is equal to 0. Answer, we have to write the answer like this. The asymptotes are this into this. This into this is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the conjugate hyperbole. Now we need the calculation. We have got x plus k is equal to 8. For this conjugate hyperbole we need calculation. S plus k is equal to 8. Here given, we have taken it, and s is equal to 8, so that k is equal to 8 minus 8, k is equal to 0. So that we have find k is equal to 0. So that conjugate hyperbole calculation is s plus 2k. Now s is equal to 8, 2 into k is equal to 0, 2 into 0 is equal to 0, so that s plus 2k is equal to 8. So that our equation conjugate hyperbole is this one. S plus 2k is also 0, so that we can say the conjugate hyperbole is as it is same. The conjugate hyperbole is the same distance in the opposite direction from the asymptotes, because asymptotes and the conjugate hyperbole is the same. Now I will give some example with this formula. You do it yourself, this one like the above, and this one is also like the above. And the third one, homework, it is homework. Third one is same as the video on 13/6/20 which I have shown you, so that next day we will take from more complicated, and we will take from AIEEE book. Here find out the k we have taken from AIEEE, and so many formula like this. It is current method formula shortcut, but I will not say it because you know it very well. I will say you find out the k, only k. So that next day it will be more interesting, and please make more sound in your mobile, because my sound is not clear today due to weak health. Thank you very much.